Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Biodenverse Hub. Today in the playlist of Neuroanatomy we will be discussing about the white matter of cerebrum. As you know that we have two types of neuron localization in form of the white matter and the gray matter. White matter they are the compact mass of myelinated nerve fibers and associated neuroclias. And gray matter they were the collection of the cell bodies of the neuron. So in this video we will be discussing in detail about the white matter of cerebrum. So first of all, they are present deep to the cerebral cortex. The types of fiber in the white matters, these are the fiber that connect part of cerebral cortex with each other and with the other part of the central nervous system. And these fibers that are classified into the three types on the basis of their connection. So first one they are the commissural fibers, second one they are the association fibers, and third one they are the projection fibers. As you can see in the diagram as well, the one that are outlined with red colors represents your projection fibers, that is also known as your internal capsule. After that, we have the one that are outlined in the green color and that are known as your commissural fibers. And the last one that are outlined in the light blue color represents your association fibers. Remember that these were the fibers that were classified on the basis of the type of connection. So in this video, we will first discuss about the association fibers. They are also known as the interhemispheric fibers. Association fibers are the nerve fibers that essentially connect various cortical regions within the same cerebral hemisphere. Association fiber they are further of two types. We have our short association fibers and we have our long association fibers. Short association fiber lie immediately beneath the cortex. It interconnects the adjacent gyri by hooking around the sulcus and hence are known as the arcuate fibers. After that, we have our long association fibers. They interconnect the widely separated gyri via the gyri of the different lobe. They are grouped into the following bundles. First one are the uncinate fasciculus that connect the first motor speech area and the gyri on inferior surface of the frontal lobe with the cortex or pole of the temporal lobe. After that, we have the next bundle that is the cingulum. It is long, curved fasciculus lying within the cingulate gyrus. It interconnects the frontal and the parietal lobe to the parahippocampal and other temporal cortical region. After that, we have our superior longitudinal fasciculus. It is the largest bundle of the nerve fiber. It connects the anterior part of the frontal lobe to the temporal and occipital lobe. After that, we have our inferior longitudinal fasciculus. It runs anteriorly from occipital lobe passing lateral to the optic radiation and is distributed to the temporal lobe. After that, we have the last bundle present that is known as the fronto-occipital fasciculus. As the name itself indicates that it connects the frontal lobe to the occipital and temporal lobe. It is situated deep within the cerebral hemisphere and it is related to the lateral border of the caudate nucleus. So now we have discussed all the association fibers. In the diagram, we can see that the fibers that are being outlined in the green color that represents your short association fiber bundle. After that, we have the pink one that are the fronto-occipital bundle. And after that, we have our purple one that is present in the cingulate gyrus region and that represents your cingulum bundle. We have the fibers that are outlined in the orange color and they are known as the uncinate fasciculus. And the last one that are being outlined in the blue color, these fibers are the inferior longitudinal bundle. So this diagram will help you to remember and learn these fibers easily. You can also make this diagram in your papers to achieve the good marks as well. So this was all about the association fibers. Now we will move on towards the projection fibers. Projection fibers consist of the afferent and the efferent fibers connecting the cortex with the other areas in the central nervous system. For example, the brainstem or the spinal cord. At the upper part of the brainstem, these fibers they form a compact bundle present between the thalamus and the caudate nucleus medially and the lentiform nucleus laterally. They fan out superiorly and radiate in all directions to the cerebral cortex to form the corona radiata. Caudally, they continue as the crus cerebri of midbrain. The nerve fiber within the posterior part of the posterior limb of the internal capsule radiate towards the calcarine sulcus, and they are known as the optic radiation. So this was all about the projection fibers. Now we will move on towards the commissural fibers. Commissural fibers, they are known as the interhemispheric fibers. Commissural fibers essentially connects the corresponding regions of the two cerebral hemispheres, the left and the right cerebral hemisphere. The important commissures of the brain are as follow. The corpus callosum, that is the most important one and the largest one. The anterior commissure of the brain, the posterior commissure of the brain, the commissure of the fornix, also known as the hippocampal commissure, and the hypnular commissure. So these were all the commissural fibers of the brain. So this was about all an overview of the white matters of the cerebrum. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you will get notified about our future videos and updates. Thank you.